Hello, this is Mr. Wright, and I'm showing you how to log into Google Classroom and turn in an assignment. First, we just have to go to Gmail, and we're going to sign in with our first name dot last name at oldbrookhigh.org. Click Next. Your password is going to be student with a capital S 123. That's the default password. It was already set for you. And then you're going to have to go reset it and choose your own password here. So now we're in our Gmail. This is where you can see all your emails, all your school emails. And we go to this waffle and click on the classroom icon, and you can see all the classrooms that you're currently in now. And you have to go to that little plus there, and then you can go back to Apex and look to find the code under the announcements. So I'm going to scroll down this announcement, find the code for my classroom. You can copy and paste it, or you can type it in. And then you're in the Google Classroom for whichever class you want. I'm in mine now, and here are all the assignments that I've posted that you can do for Apex points. And typically we make these assignments worth a little bit more than Apex points because we know it takes a little effort to go into here and do this, and we want to make it worth your while. You can click on the picture there. This assignment is called How Do You Deal with Haters? It's just a writing assignment based on your opinions. We're going to add docs. That's how you attach your own Google Doc to an assignment. And then we click on that, and we can type in here. So I'm just going to type a sentence as an example. Correct that little mistake. And then I click Turn In, and I click Turn In again, and there you go. That turns in your assignment, and it's ready to be graded by your teacher. And then they can put the Apex points in. Very simple.